Freelancing has become a popular way to earn a living in recent years, especially with the rise of the internet and digital technologies. Freelancers are independent workers who provide services to clients on a project-by-project basis, without being tied to a single employer. If you are considering becoming a freelancer, the good news is that there are plenty of opportunities available for making money online. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the ultimate hacks for making money online as a freelancer. What is a freelancer? Before we dive into the hacks, let's clarify what we mean by freelancer. Freelancers are self-employed individuals who provide services to clients on a project-by-project basis. Freelance work can take many forms, from writing and graphic design to programming and web development. Some examples of freelance work include writing articles or blog posts, designing logos or websites, developing mobile apps or software, providing social media marketing services, offering virtual assistant services, online platforms for finding freelance work. One of the biggest advantages of freelancing online is that there are many platforms available for finding work. Here are some of the most popular. 1. Upwork. Upwork is one of the largest freelancing platforms, with over 12 million registered freelancers and 5 million registered clients. Freelancers can create a profile, search for jobs, and submit proposals to clients. 2. Freelancer.com. Freelancer.com is another popular platform with over 47 million registered users. Freelancers can bid on projects posted by clients and compete with other freelancers for the work. 3. Fiverr. Fiverr is a platform that allows freelancers to create gigs, which are small jobs that can be completed quickly. Clients can browse these gigs and hire freelancers directly. 4. People Per Hour. People Per Hour is a platform that specializes in freelance work for creative professionals. Freelancers can set their own rates and apply for projects posted by clients. Successful freelancers and monetizing skills online. To give you an idea of what's possible as a freelancer, here are some examples of successful freelancers and how they were able to monetize their skills online. 1. Ben Robinson. Ben Robinson is a financial coach and founder of bookkeepers.com. He started his freelance career as a bookkeeper and eventually turned his expertise into an online course and coaching program. 2. Ryan Robinson. Ryan Robinson is a content marketing consultant and writer. He has worked with companies like Google and LinkedIn and has monetized his skills through sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and online courses. 3. Melissa Griffin. Melissa Griffin is a branding and business coach who has built a successful online business through her blog, courses, and coaching programs. Setting competitive rates and negotiating with clients. Setting the right rates for your freelance work is crucial to success. Here are some tips for setting competitive rates and negotiating with clients. 1. Research the market. Look at what other freelancers are charging for similar work and adjust your rates accordingly. 2. Consider your experience and expertise. If you have specialized skills or years of experience, you can charge more for your services. 3. Be flexible. Consider offering different pricing structures, such as hourly rates or project-based pricing. 4. Negotiate. Don't be afraid to negotiate with clients if they try to lowball your rates. Be clear about your value and what you can offer. Networking and marketing yourself. Networking and marketing yourself are also important aspects of freelancing online. Here are some tips for building your network and promoting your services. 1. Use social media. Create a professional profile on LinkedIn and use other social media platforms to showcase your work and connect with potential clients. 2. Attend events. Attend conferences and other events related to your niche to meet other freelancers and potential clients. 3. Build a portfolio. Create a portfolio of your best work to showcase your skills and experience. 4. Offer free samples. Consider offering free samples of your work to potential clients to demonstrate your value. Challenges of freelancing online and how to overcome them. While freelancing online offers many benefits, there are also some challenges to consider. Here are some common challenges and how to overcome them. 1. Finding consistent work. Freelance work can be unpredictable, so it's important to have a plan in place for finding consistent work. This might involve networking, reaching out to past clients, or diversifying your services. 2. Dealing with difficult clients. Unfortunately, not every client will be easy to work with. It's important to set clear boundaries, communicate effectively, and be willing to walk away from a project if necessary. 3. Managing finances. As a freelancer, you are responsible for managing your own finances, including taxes and invoicing. Consider using accounting software or hiring a professional accountant to help with this. Freelancing online can be a great way to make money and build a fulfilling career. By leveraging the many platforms available for finding work, monetizing your skills, setting competitive rates, networking, and overcoming challenges, you can build a successful freelance career. Remember to stay persistent, stay true to your values, and always be willing to learn and adapt. With these hacks and a little bit of hard work, you can achieve success as a freelancer in no time.